It's the political dead duck, August 18, 2009, and this one is going out to Chris Matthews and Rachel Maddow, who demonized people for exercising their civil rights. Now, these people were allowed, obviously, to have the guns open carry. That's legal. It's completely legal. They're not in jail. They weren't arrested. They don't have to go to court. There's nothing going on. But the mainstream media decides to demonize these people. Rachel Maddow, in particular, went completely overboard. She took one picture of this guy and then she associated him with Timothy McVeigh immediately because he had a same sign about you have to water the trees of liberty. Now, I mean, she doesn't look at the other side where that's a great thing, that's a great patriotic thing, that's a fact. Hundreds of thousands of people have that on their wall, but Timothy McVeigh happened to have it on his shirt, so she demonizes the guy by putting a picture of Timothy McVeigh up and associating him with him. She then demonized him with another guy who got caught with a knife inside a presidential meeting. So she doesn't associate anybody with anybody good. She associates him with the most horrible people on the planet. That's reprehensible. Who the hell do these people think they are? These are not newscasters. These people are politically agenda-driven people. Should they be allowed to be on media? I think they should be. They're traitors. They're absolute 100% traitors. Chris Matthews, hardball, literally screams at the guy for about a minute and a half. Screams at him, chastises him, mocks him, tries everything he can to demonize him and stick him into a dangerous individual. Lucky for people, this guy was very intelligent and was easily able to rebut Chris Matthews and Rachel Matthews' statements. But what they done was they reached tens of millions of people with their hate speech. That was pure hate speech. These people never did nothing wrong. Constitutionally, if more people done this, the president wouldn't have to worry about getting assassinated or anything else because everybody had a gun. The assassinating could never take place because that guy would be terrified that he would be shot before he even got a move out. There is nothing wrong with your constitution in America like that. To demonize these people to tens of millions of people because you have an agenda is absolutely disturbing and sickening. What kind of people are you? Chris Matthews and Rachel Maddow are absolutely the most evilest people I've ever seen. That was a horrible, horrible, unforgivable thing that they done. I'm absolutely ashamed that people don't get down there and rip that building to the ground. Literally. That's horrible people what they're doing. Fox News is the same way. Mainstream media has an agenda and it's not your best interest. Mainstream media does not care about you. They care about their lobbyist groups. They care about the political agenda that's sent to them. They don't use their brains. Their boss tells them, go and attack this guy. They don't say, well, that guy was okay. He was legally allowed to do that. They just associate him with Timothy McVeigh because he exercised his constitutional right. I think we live in a disgusting world. Absolutely disgusting. You people better stand up and get your civil liberties and your rights back on track. These people are demonizing you for exercising something that you're allowed to do. You know, if it was illegal, the police would have arrested them. I think mainstream media has finally cracked any boundaries of sanity. I wouldn't watch it for anything. I recommend people take their TV, throw it out your window. It's absolutely horrible, horrible brainwashing techniques they're using. This is the political dead duck.